You're welcome. In this video, let us understand how to download and work with this project banking system. So this is a part 10. So we started with a part 1 and then we come up to part 10. So here we can download this whole project from our website. I'll show you the link. But we suggest you can try yourself by writing the code step by step by watching the videos. Then you'll gain a lot of benefits. So in case you wish, you can also download this. To know how to download this, you need to go to our website, that is iblix.com, then /download. So I'll show you this, how to download and how to unzip, where to keep the folder, and how to create the database, how to create the tables, everything I'll show you now. So if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe here. If you go to any of these videos, banking videos, so here in the description, so below description, you can expand this. So here option is provided to download the project, so download examples. You just click on this iblix download. So it will take to this website. So this iblix.com/download. So here you can see that banking project. So probably we may shift to the different page, but still it's available in the next pages, so therefore please check it out. In case if you want different projects, you can communicate with us. In case you want a bigger project, you want to modify the existing projects, all is possible with us. Therefore any project related inquiries, please communicate with us. Now let's see that how to download. So click here to download. So the project will be downloaded to your system. So then you can just go to the folder, unzip it. So you need to have a 7-zip software. So if you don't have, you please download the 7-zip and then use that to unzip that. 7-zip is a free software, okay. So probably later you can delete this. So now here is a banking project. You need to copy this, and this folder must be inside the exam folder. So if in exam in C drive, you go to C drive. If in your system it is in D drive, you have to go to D drive. In that you have to go to HT docs, and then here you need to paste. So once you paste, you'll get this project folder, banking project. So if you double click, you can see that all the files here, and here is a tables. So this is a table list, and here there is a synopsis provided over here. So you can open this, you can have the synopsis, you can modify according to your requirement. So here it about banking project, all this is explained here. Right. So next step is you have to go to, you have to start the exam server. So check whether the exam server is running. So in this case it is already running. So in your system is not running. So you need to start the exam server. In case if you want to see all these videos, you can just go to our website, our channel here. So here is like how to install the exam, that is provided over here. So please watch that video, so therefore you'll get a complete idea how to install the exam server. Right. So now once exam is installed, go to localhost. So phpMyAdmin, localhost/phpMyAdmin, you'll have this one. So here you have to go to SQL, and then you need to copy this each statement, and then you need to create them. So come on here and then paste it, and then click go button. So you're going to create that. It's already there. So therefore it says that it's already existing. So no problem. So if it is not there, so you have to create them. So then you have to copy the rest of the things. Maybe you can copy it in one stretch also. There's no problem. So you can just copy them all and then go to SQL again. So paste here, then click the go button. So when you click go button, all these are created. So in this banking data. So here 4 tables will be created. Next, in order to run this, as I told already, so you need to keep this in the HT docs. Then you need to copy the project folder name. So this is the banking project. Then you type localhost/banking project. So press enter, so therefore it will open here. So you want to change all these pictures and all, so you just go here to image folder. So you can edit them in the paint, okay. So just edit in a paint. You can make changes, okay. So you want to resize or you want to put a different pictures, so all possible. So as per your wish, you can change that. So changes will occur, and also these pictures you can edit and you can make the changes. Okay, this is the top picture. So again you can edit. So you want to change the color or you want to put something else, you can always do so. See that, I'll save this one, I close. Now if I come back, so in order to make changes has to be effective, press Ctrl F5. So just F5 will not change because this picture is already loaded. To make the changes you have to press Ctrl F5, so the picture is changed. Now you can see next. So here we have the admin customer. So you have to go to admin. So then you can type admin, then admin, submit. Okay. So I think everything is working fine. So you can try this project, and also this project will help you in two ways for your academic. So there you can improve this project and you can submit. Or if you're looking for a job, so you try this project your own, get an experience, add up the project title in your resume, and prove that you know this project, like how to do it and all. So this give you a good mileage. So you can also watch these videos from the first, second, third. So parallelly you can try your own. So instead of download, you can also try your own, learn yourself. So we insist learn yourself is very, very important. When you learn, then only you know like what are the drawbacks, because in these videos we explain what are the problems, how to solve the problems. Everything is explained step by step. Therefore keep watch. Apart from this, there are many other videos also. When you have free time, just go to this iBlix tutorials, then browse the videos. Maybe one or the other video is helpful for you. Please watch them and then learn from it. Okay, so thank you very much.